Hi, I'm Scott from TF and I'm going to run you through how to attach the suspenders to the Buckaroo Toolbelt system. So it's really quite simple. It's got a 3-point suspender system, so you just want to thread the strap through the loop here and then take it up through the buckle into there. So you can now adjust that quite easily. So put the suspenders on, see how they fit. If you want the yoke to be a little bit tighter around your neck, then lengthen the back and shorten the front, and that will pull the yoke further towards your neck. If you want a bit more space, so if you want to widen the shoulder straps, then you do the opposite. So you shorten the back, which will pull the straps back a little bit, and you just add a little bit of length to the front. Once you've adjusted that and you've got a length that you're happy with and the fit's comfortable, you want it sat just above your waistline, so a little bit higher than your belt would naturally sit, then you just fold this back through there, and that will lock off the buckle. So that will stop that from slipping. So that is how you adjust the Buckaroo suspenders. If you've got any questions, get in touch with anyone at the team at TF Tools. We're here to get you the right gear.